So this is the face of the democracy in the state of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee has ruined the democracy in the state of West Bengal. It is a carbon copy of the Mamata Banerjee. She is the carbon copy of the GMP.
थोड़ा साइड दे दो भाई।
Police has arrested me and other workers also. Not only so, police even they are debarring us from saying our line, our statement. They are also, you know, they have arrested so many girls and boys of our party. Police, puro dome Mamata Bandyopadhyay